Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I'll show you how to return the salesperson who matches both a product and a color in Excel. We'll start with the XLOOKUP function. First, select cell H2. Enter this XLOOKUP formula. In this formula, the first condition compares the product column with the product in F2. The second condition compares the color column with the color in G2. Multiplying the two conditions produces one only in the row where both conditions are met. XLOOKUP finds that row. Then it returns the corresponding salesperson from column D. Press Enter. The formula returns Susan. Drag the formula down to look up the remaining product and color combinations. Note that XLOOKUP is available in Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021 or later. If you're using an earlier version, use the index and match method shown next. If your Excel version does not support XLOOKUP, select cell H2. Enter this index and match formula. In this formula, match finds the row where both the product and color match the lookup values. Index returns the salesperson in column D from that row. Error displays not found when there is no match. Instead of pressing Enter, press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter together. The formula returns Susan. Drag the formula down to return the remaining results. If you find these formulas difficult to remember, Kutools for Excel provides a visual way to perform the same lookup. It can also process several lookup rows at once. After downloading and installing Kutools, select the cells where you want the lookup results to appear. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Super Lookup. Select Multi-condition Lookup. In the dialog box, the selected cells are automatically shown in the output range box. Since there are two lookup criteria, click the Lookup Values box. Select F2 through F3. Then hold down the Control key, and select G2 through G3. Next, click the Key Columns box. Select A2 through A12. Hold down the Control key, and select C2 through C12. Finally, select the Return column. Click OK. Kutools returns the matching salesperson for every product and color combination at once. If no record matches both conditions, it returns an NA error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.